we will discuss. So again, we'll see the timing. Tomorrow, once madam completed, we'll take half an hour gap and then we'll start. If it is up to 11:30, madam, if taken up to 11:30, then I will take on a 11:40 or 11:45. If in case madam finish at 10:30, then I will start at 11 o'clock. Okay. Daily maximum 1.5 hours is enough for you because main syllabus is completed. So here it is, based on a service desk. What are the important questions? What is service desk? What is service desk? SPOC, single point of contact between user and a service provider or a technical team or a users or employees or supporters or people who can able to work in it. Second one is who is the customer? Who is the customer and a type of customers? Internal customer, external customer, public customers, like a users. Also other words we use for a customer is, we are using other words is user. Another one is client or a customer. Okay, for a customer we can also use like a user or a client. So what is the service desk do? Service desk is in between the customer and the IT experts or IT people who can able to help. Means those who are having a knowledge in the IT technology. And also, it is also like a service desk person does not mean is only receive a claim complaint and create a ticket and forward the ticket to the particular department or a person who can help them. Service desk itself, they will help the people directly based on their level of service desk and the knowledge or a sector of the service desk, particular part of the service desk. Once again I will tell. Guys, in the service desk, we have a levels. I think I didn't told you that level parts. Okay, so it is a service desk having a levels. Okay, service desk levels. What is SPOC? Single point of contact. The levels we have a. Some people say it is a tier 1, tier 2, tier 0, tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, tier 4 kind of stuff. Some people like it's a service desk levels also tiers and also in a levels also we will call like a level 1, sorry, level 0 is starting, level 1, level 2, level 3, like this. Up to 4 is also there, but so I'm writing up to 3 only. 0 to 3 or 0 to 4, it is also there. So 0 to 3 at least try to understand. So level 0 is more like a help desk type. It means it is a provide a initial support, understand what is the service desk, so find out the initial report, initial support, understand customer issues, okay, understand customer issues, understanding and issues. We have to categorize what kind of issues, categorize the what kind of issue it is, like it is a networking related, it is a networking related, category. So again, why it is Okay, this is also correct one only. So categorizes issues. What kind of issue is a issue or a request? We can say request or an issue. Understand a request. Understand a so maybe this become big. Actually, level 0 is nothing. Very small one. So you have to categorize issues. So based on what network it is. Second one is the final one is initial support means for understanding an issue only. It is not exactly level 0 people don't fix anything. Okay. Level 0 people just for contact purpose only. They will fix sometimes very low level. Like if only basic troubleshooting. Very basic troubleshooting. Initial support means it is a very basic troubleshooting. For understanding issues, okay, basic troubleshooting means what is there, what LED, switch off, switch on, okay, this kind of stuff on. So basic level troubleshooting. Also, it is a self-help portal maintenance. Self-help portal type. It means I'm the customer. I want to raise an issue. So I go to the company website. There is a self-help portal, customer care problem portal is there, customer care, or a customer related complaint box is there, or maybe I'm a client. There is a organization instead of calling and asking, so I will take their portal. So there is a self-help portal. So open directly, enter your name, password. Okay, so enter your name or if you have a password kind of stuff, you give the password. Tell them what is the issue. What is an issue? Share the screenshots. So different type of issues, different type of screenshots are there. Like I will tell one. Recently we had this one Oracle. Yeah, this is the one. So no. Okay. Like this, when my sister is installing, even I tried. So I am also getting in a one PC, we are getting this kind of error issue. So if you go to this images, I will show you this is a problem it is showing. We are unable to install a Oracle policy application. We are unable to install. So we are getting this kind of stuff. When we click on details, it is showing like this. This is the issue screenshot. This is the issue screenshot. So take the screenshot and share it. Right. So through the self-help, that is also labeled as 0. Escalate. Escalate issues because you are not doing that one. So then you have to escalate it this issue to higher levels. Okay. You have to escalate the issues to level 1 or a level 2 kind of stuff. Okay. So just for a page 1 only, I am separating this one. Which one point is, each one is a one single point only. It will become very big one. Okay. So you have to escalate. You have to decide whether this issue is belongs to a level 1 side or a level 2 side. Okay. It is a very basic troubleshooting. Okay. So what is a L1? L1 is again same kind of stuff. Initial support means you received a issue from directly self-help portals or from help desk or a level 0 you received it. So again you'll give initial support. Not very basic troubleshooting, but it is a level of knowledge is related to a troubleshooting. Example, reset passwords, resetting your passwords. Example I'm telling. Okay, resetting your passwords, basic troubleshooting. Some example, basic changes. Example, resetting password kind of stuff. Okay, understanding issues and try to fix basic things like maybe unable to send a mail, receive a mails. Then it is a problem with your application configuration issues. Configuration issues, Outlook configuration issues, unable to send a pass mail or not, internet is there or not. Okay, what are the some changes is occur? So what is changes occur? So like this is what I'm trying to say is it is a support. Of course, both are having involved in a monitoring your infrastructure. Usually L1 is and L0 do not have more differences. But thing is, L0 is a basically like a self-help portal type one. It means customer told this is an issue, immediately notify the issue and escalate the issue. That's the only main thing. Exactly say this is the main part of L0. Okay. Person should have a understandable knowledge is required. Person should have required a understand issue knowledge is required. Okay. This also I'm telling. So required knowledge is understand issue or a request from the customer, that knowledge required. Okay. So then we can understand the customer issues, then we can escalate to L1 or L2. We can understand, we can able to categorize issues or request based on things. Okay, so all are correct only. So point is this is also there, categorizing issues and very basic troubleshooting. So understanding basic troubleshooting and monitoring also. They'll categorize. Is it a networking related, hardware related, server related? It is a server engineer can able to do it directly L2. So this is experts. Experts. Not a basic knowledge. Experts. Okay. Basic, not basic troubleshooting. Expert. Experts are there. Expert support. Okay. Expert troubleshooting. Okay. Not a basic changes and all. So only it is the main core level. Any issue should resolved. Resolved compulsory. If issue is raised to L2, then issue should be resolved. Any issue, any changes, any request should be completed. Any issue should resolved or should be resolved. Any issues, request or what are the change request should be resolved. So no further escalations. Generally, no further escalations. So again, once issue is like you are in a service desk 0. Actually, you are 1. Okay. You are in a service desk level 1 mostly. Okay, you are mostly in a service desk level 1. Okay, or a level 0, but depends upon requirements. I don't know because I think it's a level 1 only, not even a level 2, because it's a starting fresher, always a level 1. You have a technical knowledge on a particular subject, then it is a level 1 again. Okay, you have experience and are a expert knowledge. Okay, so complete expert, not a basic knowledge. You have a expert knowledge on a particular things like a cloud computing or maybe a particular application related like Java related or HTML related. MySQL guys, MySQL and Oracle database. Very best to get a more strong, stable uh, in the organization, in the work. Okay, so that's my point. Okay, so experts in troubleshooting any issues should be resolved in a level 2 only. Okay, so they don't do any initial support kind of stuff. So compulsory it is they fix any issues, fixing any kind of issue. So you feel you cannot able to resolve your problem. You are in a level 0. You are unable to resolve your problem, and the problem is a next chance is level 2. So you have level 0 person should decide it's a level 1 or a level 2 category. Okay. So escalate issues to directly L1 or L2 means once it is drop into L2, the problem should be resolved. And for example, I raise an issue to the L1 and L1 people think like a L1 is try to resolve it, understand what is an issue. It is not their hand. Again, they will escalate it to L2. So that won't happen. That is not good. Why? Because of you should understand the L0 is should understand like help desk should understand what kind of issue it is. It is a very serious issue, not a simple issue like a resetting passwords. Very simple. I have an Outlook. We see an Outlook, right? So this is an Outlook, my Outlook. Usually I will send an emails and receive a mails, all my company mails to this Outlook only. Okay. Sometimes application won't work. So I open Outlook today and I want to send a mail. App not working. App not working. Maybe app is working. So I compose a mail or I'm not able to. So my company, my HR said I send a mail. When I open what Outlook, I am not received it. Or I send a mail, so other person is not receiving. Some error it is showing. So it is unable to send and receive. Unable to send and receive a mail. Or you want to change your password, mail password, email password, not Outlook password. It is email related password. You want to change it. Okay. Application is not working. Unable to send and receive emails. You want to change your password or password is got changed or you forget your password kind of stuff. Okay. So these are the different issues from one thing only. But level 0 person understand and what is an issue, what kind of category you have to do it. In initial support itself, we can understand what level of issue it is. For example, I open this application is not opening, or it is showing some error. Based on that, I can change. For example, I told restart your computer, then try again, or close it and try it again. Uninstall your application. There is several solutions. We can do it from initial support itself or a L1 related support. For example, it is initial support. So what is the error? What is the error it is showing? Based on that, we have to decide what to do. Second one is like close application and open, or we can say restart PC, okay, and try again, try to open. See this? Okay. Go to programs and feature in control panel. Also, I'm telling troubleshooting also, guys. Go to control panel, programs and features, control panel, programs and features. Okay, there you can go to okay, select Microsoft Office. Of course, it is Office related. So then it is go to repair option, change or a repair option. So you can click on change or a repair option. Finally, it is repair option. If it is not working, okay, if it is not working, uninstall application, restart your PC. Always, guys, if whenever you uninstall any application, restart your PC. Restart your PC, uninstall an application, restart your PC. Okay, install app. Okay, it is, few things. As a L0, you may not do it, but few things you can do it. Understand what is an error, so do as per error screen. You have to decide. If you have a guideline, guys, in generally last time also somebody asked me a question. In troubleshooting, in generally they will give you a basic guidelines. Means how to troubleshoot. If a particular issue is there, how to troubleshoot, that kind of there. So this is also part only KEDB. I want to tell separately, but it is we got a chance to tell known error database. Known error database. It is a database is a database contains, sorry, no one is speaking anything. I'm keep telling whether you are understanding or not. Also, I didn't ask you, and you didn't speak also. Yes, understanding or completely something confusing story.
Understanding, sir.
Okay,
Understanding.
is good. known error database. It is a database contains about issues and how it resolved, how it is resolved. 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 Its spelling is correct. Okay. How it is solved. So solved. How it is resolved. So then, any issue is there, some issue is there. We will contact an issue is there like this. If some issues occur, what you will do? We'll try in a Google, and we'll try from some communities like see community.oracle.com is telling about how to resolve these issues. I am giving best example is this stock overflow.com, right? So any issue, for example, all your three people know the software like at least Python, Java, C, C++, right? So when you do it, or you receive a error, a syntax error, something error is there. As per your textbook, it is maybe look like a good, but there is some error it is showing. You don't understand what is the correct one or how to resolve that error. What we will do, we'll put it in a Google. Then this stack overflows shows the error and a solution. Okay, but if you understand this stack overflow, you will understand very easily. See, this is someone is posted. I am getting this kind of issue. This is my issue. This is my details, my program, my code, or my something kind of stuff. Okay, so it is my issue. It is growing like this, and someone is trying to tell you how to resolve this problem, how the working thing. It is working. So like this, you execute this one, then it won't tell you this is the error. It is won't show you, so it will continuous. So this is a ignoring pre-request kind of stuff. Okay, some people tell you how to do like this. So which is more working solution? Which type of solution it is? See, three solutions are there currently. Which solution more working solution? The three members are saying this is the more working solution than these two solutions. So obviously, which is the better? The more people are agreed. Okay, there is an issue, and issue is we don't issue is occur. Okay, so some people are trying to resolve the issues. Someone like they choose different ways to resolve an issue depends upon the situation. Okay. Okay. So what they will do it? They will put it in a database. The database. What is an issue? About a issue. What is an issue? How it is resolved by them. Then this collection of data is in the database. Once you go to database, then you will find based on your issues, what is an issue, how this disease can be resolved, and which is the better for your issue, your situation. Okay, your permissions. You can take it and resolve it. Okay, that is a known error database. What is known error database? What is a? It is a database contains about an issues, errors, and how to resolve these issues. How it is resolved means we can understand how to resolve. We can understand how to resolve. So That is a one more point here. Depends upon the level of knowledge. So you are in the level of desk. Desk level is there on a particular technologies. Okay. Usually level 0 is must know the all technologies basics, all technology basics generally in general. Why? Because of is not expert in any but technologies means should have a all technology idea, so then he can understand what customers, what users or clients issue it is, what is their requirements, and which team or which level of that team will do it. Is a networking related or software related or kind of stuff. Okay, that's why I am trying to telling with an example. Plus this Outlook column is also there, right? An application is not working. You open an Outlook application, it is not working. Then what you do? You'll see the errors and do as per the error screens. So what is the error, why you are getting that error point here, or maybe you can try to close the complete application. Does not mean you are closing from here, also close it from the task manager. Okay, all background including background, so close application, including background, and open application. Try that one, or otherwise restart your PC. Actually, I can sign out your PC is enough, but restart is okay. Sign out or log out, or you can restart your PC. If you sign out also, the background application is also will closes. You close application, sign out, and try to open. To restart your PC, that is also something background trouble is there. Of course, virus problem is virus problem. Always some antivirus virus problems are there. So you can go to control panel. So try to repair it. Try to repair it. So if you want, I will show you that one also. So I'm going to control panel. I can go to that programs and features directly using appwiz.cpl, or you can go to control panel, programs and features. Okay, so this is my program. Mine is related to Microsoft Office. Then I press M, then I will try to find. Mine is Office 365. Mine is Office 365. Outlook is a part of uh, Microsoft Office. Remember, Outlook is a part of Microsoft Office. So I selected a Microsoft Office, Microsoft 365. Mine is Office 365, apps for business. You can choose change, yes. Then you can see quick repair or online repair. You can choose quick repair, repair. If problem is not resolved, then go to online repair, repair. Online repair will take little more time than a quick repair. But whatever it is, you can change either one. First, if you want, you can try with quick repair. If it is not resolved, so then it is resolved with the online repair. Online repair fixes all issues. Whatever the small issue, it is also there, but it is try to find and fix an issue. So you won't get a problem for a very long time. But it takes little longer and require internet connection throughout. Means complete connection, complete repairing process based on your internet, and as well as it will take time. You can select this option if you're still having problem after quick repair. Means first you have to do quick repair, most fixes most issues quickly without a need for an internet connection. You don't have internet, or you have internet or no internet, still you can try with a quick repair. Quick repair is not resolving, then you choose online repair, click on it. Okay, so that is first option is, if you have a repair option, then try to go with the repair options. It is some are repair directly, it will show. Some repair options they not show like this. Some are like we have to go to change only. Some are don't get any kind of change option or repair option. So you will get an uninstall only. You get a in that cases or even repair is not also working. Then what you do? If not working, uninstall an application, restart your PC. Compulsory restart your PC. Then only the background certain services, temporary files, um, background controlling files, controlling services, or viruses, antiviruses kind of stuff. Very importantly, registry. In a registry also information will be removed. So then once it is restarted, completed, then you can try to install app and continue. This is app not working. Next one is unable to send and receive mail. I have my application is working fine, but I'm trying to send a mail or receive a mail, or if I click a send and receive a mail kind of stuff, unable to send and receive a mail. Or maybe I compose a mail, okay, I composed a mail, I go to new mail and then I try to compose the mail, I try to send a mail, mail went to drafts, mail is went to draft, it's a drafts. So mail is in the drafts. It is not there. Why? Because of I cancelled it. Okay. So mail is in the draft, not in the sent items. Not in the mail is in the drafts only. Mail is not sent. Our new mails are not receiving. It's showing dry from last 2 days. So no new mails. Even I try to send it from my personal mail also. I'm unable to receive mail. Either two ways also there. Means you can able to send a mail, but you are not receiving any mail. Either you are able to receive a mail, but you are send a mail, it is not working. That case is also there. You are unable to send and receive mail. There's a one thing. Okay, maybe internet not working. I am telling about what is service desk revision, but I am telling about level 1, level 2, level 3, plus Outlook example and KEDB. Okay, please try to understand. So I am telling like this. So it is covers 2, 3 items plus also example also. Okay. Maybe internet is not working. Check internet. Check your internet. Because of internet, you are unable to send and receive a mail. Very simple, right? Check your internet. Second one is okay. Configuration. Third one is app problem. App not working properly. If app not working, this is the solution. Remember guys, if app is not working, the solution. App is working good. So it is not showing any errors. It is open pleasantly and all. It may be a configuration. For example, I will show you my configuration. This is my account. This is account settings. Maybe in this settings, I may have an issues. So either I will remove the account and connect a new account, or maybe any repairing options are there. I'll check the database. Database is file is good or are there. Or you want to do any setting part. Repair option is also there. You want to do repair changes. You want to do any some changes. I click on changes. More settings. Inbox, mail ID, advance, and security. Of course, mine is direct Microsoft Office 365 mail account. It is. It is a limited options are there. We can go to next. The account successfully updated. Done. You want to do certain changes. or you want to do certain settings, you can see same number only, same thing only, no differences. Okay. Or you can remove your account and reconnect your account if in case it's a account related issues are there. Okay. Settings, it's I can't able to show you that other kind of settings because the Microsoft account it directly connects to your configuration, your Outlook configuration. Last final one, we can throw this thing on a 2 points. One is server side problem, or a password. It can be a server side problem or a password changed or expired. Changing of the password is the other issues. You want to change the password means, yeah, where we have to change the password at server. This is both are related. Okay, again both are related. Guys, again it is L0. You are getting some issue with Outlook. I am getting some problem with Outlook. Issue. What is happened? App is not working. So try to close the app and open. What kind of error you are getting? Okay, and then I ask, try to sign out your PC or restart your PC. Try again. Still not working. Uninstall the application and install an application, and it is working or not working. My initial support. My initial support. Plus, I will mixture this one. L1 support. What is the L1 support? What is an error? So try to close an application and try to open it is like including background. Also try to open it. Check the internet connectivity. L0. Check the internet connectivity. Internet is working fine. Internet is working fine. For example, same issue go to L1. Same issue go to L1. So L1 again they will ask what kind of error you are getting. Try to close and open the application. Restart your PC and try to open the application. Depends upon your error. Okay. So application is open. Okay. Application is okay. Open. Okay. So then you don't need to do all these things. Application is okay. But I am unable to send and receive it. It is showing some exclamatory mark in a down, like unable to synchronize with a mail server. Show you that error also how it is. You will get some exclamatory mark kind of errors. You will get it. It is not showing the original error. On Outlook only it will show. See, they are trying to show like this. Okay. So you are getting while you are sending and receive progress, you will get this kind of errors. On Outlook also it will show some. Okay. So I will ask people. I received a mail. So I received a mail, right? If in case I'm not receiving a mail, even I send a mail, other person send or not. So olden days we do go to send and receive. You click on this send and receive button. Click on send and receive button. So now nothing is showing on the screen, but like this it will show. Very good, it is there. show progress button. Do not show this dialog box during and then receive details cancel all. So what it is, as I created a mail and it is not sent, and maybe new mails are not receiving. What to do? Click on send and receive. Then it is a new version, right? So you have to click on show in progress. Then you can see the progress like a send, receive, errors. Okay, you can see send, receive, errors. In Outlook. So while you are sending and receiving, so it may shows this kind of task and errors. It is. So you have to check with these errors. So for example here, error is task STMKR receiving reported error some Xcode. Outlook is unable to connect your incoming POP3 email server. If you are continue to receive this mail, contact your server administrator or an internet service provider. So how to fix this kind of error? So find out what is this error. So understand guys, if you have got some issues, you feel your messages are not sending or receiving kind of stuff. Okay, what to do? Go to send and receive, click on a send and receive. If it is pop-up is not showing, so go to show progress bar and wait. So then you should receive a certain error message or maybe success messages. Success, send success, receive success kind of stuff. Okay. Send success, receive success means all your server to client communication is very good. Okay, so this is the one thing. So that is my L1 or a L0. We can also say in a L0 manner. Also we can tell it. So go to Outlook, send or receive. Okay. So click send and receive. Send or receive, whatever it is, no problem. Show the progress. Wait for success or error and notify the error. Notify error, do according to the troubleshooting. So what error it is showing? It is showing success means mails are able to go. It sometimes it is a server side problem and all. So as L1, L0 or L1, this is the first one. As L0 or L1, you have to do this one. Okay. I hope you got it right. If you are not getting a mails or your mail inbox is not updating with the new mails, or when you are sending a mail, also you don't know your mail is sent or not. Okay. So you do send and receive. If it is throwing in errors, then definitely it is. Okay. Next, if in case it is showing some error, check the Outlook configurations. Maybe it is the internet is not working. Okay, check the internet. Make sure internet is working properly and also check the configuration. Change the configuration if it is required. Sometimes app is not working properly, then app not working troubleshooting. So this is like a L1, L2 type. L0, L1, L2. Okay. So here it is. Server side problem. It is a might be not maybe, it is a might be. Might be means it's the least possibilities. Because if it's a server side problem, multiple complaints. If it is a server side problem, multiple complaints you will receive. Okay. If I got a problem, it's my problem. If a 10 members are get a problem, it can be a server problem, right? So it might be a server problem. So then raise an issue to L3, L3, L2, L3 side. Server problems, fixing the passwords, changing the password, or email ID password changes requirements. These things we have to do at a server. This is L2, L3 problem. This is L1, L2 problem. And this is L0, L1 problem kind of stuff. Okay. So mostly like a understand in a labels also, understand how to troubleshoot it also. Okay. Understand what is a known error database. For example, you are receiving an error. I showed here, right? You received some error like this. Received a error like this. So immediately what to do? It is a Outlook send and receive progress error task synchronization subscribed folder for a some butler so the Gmail ID it is reported error like this. See the error code. So type the error code otherwise and remember what is entirely okay. So or take a picture or a screenshot and search in a Google. Find it from the database, right? So like that we do in generally in our home troubleshoot. But in organization they have a recorded database for a errors and there how to solved or how to resolve the issue, how to resolve the issues, how it is solved. That kind of stuff also there. So we see our suitable solutions. We can do according to it. Can do according. So again that is L2 level, L1, L2 level only, not L0 level. So understand the level of service desk guys. If you are feeling little confusion, not at all a big deal. So try so service desk levels. So and also level 1, level 2 questions I'll see IT support, basic help desk solution, resolution, and service desk delivery. That is here at tier 1 is a set. In-depth technical support, expert product, and service support. Outside support for a pollens, not supported by organization. That is 4. So this is a matter. It is of course. I also having this information in separately is there. Yeah. Tier 0, tier 1. So what is a tier 0? It is a self-help user retrieved information. Tier 1 basic help desk solutions, service desk deliveries. In-depth technical knowledge means the technical knowledge is here required technical knowledge like a delivery related. For example, I want a new connection. So how to provide that new connection, how to change the connection, how to change the services. Okay, how to change the password. That is tier 1. This is tier 2 is a expert. I will give you this direct table also so then you can understand. I like to write on a notepad, but recently I stopped doing that one. Okay guys, this is service desk levels. What is a service desk is important. Of course, service desk levels. So maybe for yourself also you may get a clarity about what is a different service desk. Guys, whatever it is, the word is service desk, whatever it is, your intermediate person does not mean it is just you are understand customer requirement and you will follow those kind of stuff. Means just you raise a ticket. That is L0 level or L1 level. L0 level exactly. So, means customer required something, you have a knowledge and you have a communication skills. then you will understand customer requirement, then we'll do it. But what is this? Which type of customer base you will call it? Depends upon your organization, depends upon the person who is providing the service, means what service. Services belongs to networking related, or a server related, or a particular services related, application related, a cloud related, because the cloud is very good to hear word kind of stuff. Cloud related, there's some virtualization related, database related, or data storage related, different technologies, different type of services, service provider provided to the organizations, to the organization. Some there is an organization required to store a data in your organization. You are providing that kind of services also. That kind of service also. Then this service provider put a one service desk here. And name is service desk. This meaning is there is a person, people are there to give a proper information or solve the customer related issues, client related issues. Okay, or client required configurations, delivering of client requirements, can do it from here. Okay, so it is the service desk can be a software. Service desk is a person or a software or a certain connectivity, whatever it is. It's a single point of contact. So you are working in a service desk does not mean just you are a person, just call and attend the call kind of stuff is not there. Most possibilities are there is like you are in that part of a team. If you are in the particular level of team, you are a part of a team which is dealing with a technology, not some general. That is level 0 in generally, but still it is even level 0 is also. Don't put it. You are part of a team which is working on a particular technologies. Your service provider deliver something to the customer. It's providing service to the customer or a client or a user. So when based on your service provider, so this customer base or a client will ask you what is their requirement. Is there required a virtual machine, or is required a storage access, or is there required got some issues, how to resolve it, or they got some issues, reporting the issues. So your duty can be changes. Okay, so that is why I want to try to give a clarity about your professional work also, like a service desk in the part of a technology and the team based on what service providing by your service providers. A service provider provided different type of services. Some are provide only single service, some are multiple services, and your job, your role, your working area depends upon that. You have to take care of the technology. Okay, so that's what I'm trying to say about a service desk. Okay, if you understand, good. If you don't get it, also please try to get it. My point is okay. Just one quick review. So, what is service desk? What is the service desk? Will do it. Who is the service provider and the customer kind of stuff? And what is the ticket? Different type of customers. Okay, and there is a certain things definitions also there, which is actually have to talk about last class only or this class. But what I have done, I went to the revise and I will go to this levels of service desk, and I told about a column like a Outlook issue. I took a Outlook issue and I try to explain this one. It covers both Outlook issue and the service desk levels and a KEDB also. Okay. Yeah, one more point I will tell. Then I will give you not a break because it's already 1 o'clock. So tomorrow I will tell about this event management and all. So today we don't have a time. So then, but compulsory read these things, guys. Okay. And also 10-15 minutes will tell about what are the syllabus we are completed and how to prepare. Guys, daily prepare. Next week you have an interview. That's the thing. Keep it in remember. Do not think we'll think next week. What is a SOP? Any idea?
No, sir.
Yeah, speak loud, no problem.
No, sir. No idea about it, sir.
Standard operating procedure. Standard operating procedure. Okay. Standard operating. Okay. What is standard operating? Is a procedure. Specify your operation that describes the activities necessary to complete tasks to according to the industry regulations, provision laws, even just your own standard for running your business. Any document you can see it is a standard operating procedure is a step-by-step instruction to compile by organization to help workers carry out routine works. SOP aims to achieve efficiency, quality output, uniformity of performance while reducing miscommunication and failure to comply with the industry regulations. What it is? SOP, standard operating procedure. It is a standard method, like for example, you know, one second. Okay. It is too easy to understand, guys. It is a step-by-step instructions compiled by organization to help workers carry out complaint organization to help workers carry out routine operations. Okay. Routine it means simply, guys, I need a internet connectivity. I need a internet connectivity. I want some service, storage the data. Like anything, I have some requirement. Okay. So I ask, for example, I will tell a story now, a simple story. In our Pune office, we want a internet from Airtel. Say Airtel internet. Yeah, I told another story that is a U broadband story. It is that is also there. U broadband we got some issues with the U broadband that time. So we took a Airtel. Airtel. Okay, so this is so we approached Airtel organization. So we approached the Airtel organization, and ask for our, we are telling about our requirements. So now the thing is will start. So they said, what is the flexibility of providing internet for your area? They said we are able to provide a 16 Mbps only, not 60, 16 Mbps only. We are able to provide in your area. Flexibility is very less. Okay, because of this constructions, cable connectivity and all, we are able to provide 16 Mbps only. Okay, it is unlimited wise, it is 16 Mbps only we can able to provide. Next they came to, first of all they came to the area, so they check the area. Is it connectivity is there or not? Yes, connectivity is there. Okay, then it is limitation is this one. Second, they'll take a documents, right? What are the documents? Proofs. Which name I have to take, give the connection. Okay, which name? My name or a sir name or a organization name. The name for giving connections. Their documents. Collect the documents and collect the fee. Process fee is there. Connection fees is there, right? To collect the fees. Third one is cabling. So first of all, put a cable. Okay, give the cable connectivity. Check the cable, make sure it is telephone cable it is. So make sure the cable connectivity is there. The fourth one is ID. Get a user ID password. Installation of router. Check the internet is working or not. Okay. The first one is like a cable. Check the cable connectivity or a installation of router kind of stuff. See the cable connectivity. This is documents. Okay. Then router installation. Configuring a router, Wi-Fi router. Internet is work. Fifth one is yes, close. Close, completed. Customer is satisfied. What is the customer requirement is fulfilled. This is in generally like a one example for SOP. Not in troubleshooting, in generally while delivering a service, while giving a service. Okay, so this is the point in a SOP. One point. So there are so many points are there. One point. Okay, you guys understand what is SOP in this point?
Yes, sir.
Next one is in a troubleshooting. You got some issues. You given a complaint. This is the service provider, and you are in your home. Now your this internet connectivity got some issues. You raise the complaint. The service desk and your service provider. You know the story what will happen, but I am going with the SOP manner only. Okay, SOP manner. So either it is a client is given a complaint, or you got some pollens from your infrastructure. Anything you can take it. I'm giving this kind of. First of all, this is issue related, means troubleshooting related troubleshooting model. Also called it as troubleshooting model. Means there is an issue is occur. You have to resolve the issues. You don't miss it. We don't make it as a complex. If you follow the step-by-step process to solve the customer issues or to resolve the customer requirements or your infrastructure requirements, okay, so then you can make it more easy way, better way, easy way, simplicity. We can do it in more simplicity. The first one is you have to identify what is an issue. Without knowing issue, you cannot resolve it. In troubleshooting, issue is important. So first of all, identify the issues. Second one is what is the causing of this issue? You are not getting internet. Why you are not getting internet? Power is not there. Cable is disconnected. Router is having problem. At our side there is a problem. So and find the cause of the problem. Test your theories. So where is the issues? Where is an issues? Test your theory. How to resolve these issues? Okay? Testing your theory. Then start doing it. Implement the solution. Okay? You tested it, right? Yes, this is the problem. So this is the cable connectivity issue, or maybe this is the router related configuration issue. Okay, so that segment is not coming. Okay, so you make sure that there's a problem, and we have to do like this to resolve the problem. So we'll go and change the cable, or maybe we'll change the configuration of router, or remotely you change the password, like that. You do what is the how to solve the problem. So we planned it, plan for a solve the problem, and implemented it. And like another next step is take a preventive actions. Take a some preventive action means a customer got an issues. It does not mean he never get again. He will get again. He will get issue again. Right? Possibility. Possibility. Right? So like for example, you are having a bike. You are keep getting some issues. So some a spark plug issue or maybe some brake issues there. You are keep getting that issue. You got an issue, you know where is there a problem is occur. Once you will find a problem, then you start implementing solution. Now it is resolved. But next time the issue should not be repeated, right? So we do some preventive measurements. And finally, document everything. Finally, do document everything. So this is what I'm trying to say about your SOP in the troubleshooting method. General SOP and troubleshooting method of SOP is different. Okay. SOP in a troubleshooting methods. Okay. So he given us 7 points. Okay, there is a 5 points also there. So 6 points is there, 7 points also you can try. Yeah, here directly CompShare guideline only. Even I have a CompShare guideline. You can simply go to my name like Latif Tech Notes. This is my site. This is my site. Okay. Latif Tech Notes. Yeah, of course, I will share this one. I didn't implement it more, but I have to implement it. This is a direct PPTs are there now. So that PPTs are linked here. You can see the PPT also. But ours is service operation, service desk. This is the PPT, operating system PPT. World PPT means other PPT it is. I created and I uploaded a link here, so that's why you can able to see. Even this is like a repair. I said now Outlook repair. So instead of putting notes, I directly put a PPT link there. Guys, this is the one service desk here. So see, this is the 25 questions on the help desk and service desk related, direct service desk related questions. 25 questions from Guru 99. From Guru 99. Second, this is the service desk levels. Same material, I shared a link, right? The same material from there only. Okay. What are the different levels? What is their level and what is that one? Okay. Yeah, just whenever you have a time, please read the more description. Otherwise, only the main points only. This is methods like network connectivity issues, hardware related issues. Also better to go once. This is finally SOP. What is SOP? And it is a troubleshooting model. It is in this one we have a 6 points. When I try here, it is just 7 points are there. Okay, basic network troubleshooting steps. Just I'm giving mine also about SOP. As I will get basic questions. Okay, see what is the first one in SOP troubleshooting model. Or method. Okay, so first one is identify problem. Identification of problem. What is an issue? Problem means here it is. We have to tell in an issue manner because problem is why you got this problem. Why are you getting this problem? So why are you getting means so because of what you are getting this problem means where is the what is causing this problem? What is causing this problem? What causing this problem again? Another one is right. Yeah, what causing this problem? Um, kind of stuff, right? Maybe is there loose connection is there, or maybe it is not RAM is not sitting properly. Like different issues are there. What causing this problem? Because of virus or because of antivirus? What causing this problem? If you know it, you can easily understand and implement the system. Test the theory. Make sure like before you implement, then test your theory. So this is the actually problem it is, and this is causing this problem. If you do like this, then problem will be resolved. Establish plan and implementation. Okay. So how to solve this issue? You have to do plan and implement. Plan and implement the fifth point is do the preventive measures. Verify the fixes. Make sure it is working fine. And do preventive measures. Do preventative measures. Okay, do preventative measures. And what is the sixth one is document finding. This is also I am got from CompShare only. In the CompShare troubleshooting PPTs, it's like a PDF type. I got these steps. Okay, that's why I'm looking at and I'm trying to. So it is a troubleshooting model or a troubleshooting method in the form of SOP. First, identify the issues. establish the probable cause, test your theory, test the theory, establish plan and implementation, verify fixes, verify the fix, and do preventive measures means that it should not occur again. Do some preventing. This should not be repeatedly, should not occur. Document finding. So guys, this is the problem is there, that is means issue. Whatever it is, what you understand. And one more is there here in this one, service operations. These service operations definitions are there. Okay, these definitions I am unable to cover now, but I will do it. This is service desk, ITL functions, service desk, technical management, IT operation management, and application management. These are the different type of service desk is also there. Central service desk, local or distributed service desk, virtual service desk, specialized service desk, IT operation service desk, technical management, and application management. These are the types of service desk. Okay, that much of stuff is there. The service desk and service desk levels also. What is a service desk? Is a first and single point of contact. It plays a vital role in customer satisfaction. It can coordinate activities between end user and service provider team. It also won logs request and ensures that closure of those requests. Means it has a login request and a closure of those requests is there. There's a four type of service desk: central service desk, local or a distributed service desk. Okay. So virtual service desk and specialized service desk. These are the total four service desks. So central means is only one central. Anyone should contact to the central service desk type only. Some organization maintain their local service desk also within their organization or closer to the user type of service desk kind of stuff. It's difficult to manage and maintain. Virtual desktop, virtual service desk, it's a very costly and result is fast processing. It means you got some issue, we got IVR kind of stuff. We call to the service provider or a bank related or some internet related. So they will give you options. You follow up the option, automatically solution is also there. Automatically it may solve. If it is not understandable, your option is not there, we'll talk to the management team or the technical team directly. Okay. Some are just like your apps will like we can self-help type. You can put it there, automatically it found a solution, it will resolve it. Okay. Some virtual interaction type, like a user guideline type, self-help user guideline type, FAQs. Some organization provide a FAQs or some solution steps. For example, if you are not able to get something, your application is not working, so you have to go to this particular area, then you can they will give you a step-by-step guideline to solve your problem yourself. Okay, so you don't need to call, you need to wait, you have to go, that kind of stuff will be reduced. That's it is fastest the process. Specialized services including dedicated skilled staff for a specific queries. Okay, so this kind of level of thing is there, like a L3 level. So direct caring of an issue, that is a specialized service desk. So this is again what is a service desk, type of service desk. If you don't remember type of service desk, no problem, but always try to what is a service desk. There is another management team is there, operational management. They do day-to-day work, day-to-day maintenance, checking, doing it. So technical management, as already I told, so technical management is a staff include technical expertise that are responsible for management oral IT infra. These are separate points I given, but it's okay. But understand what is service desk. And already I given earlier. Now also this guys, service desk, type of customers, service desk. What is service desk? Service desk responsibilities. Who is the customer? Type of customers. Service desk levels, and what is the level and their responsibilities. I'm not written anything here, but I given a one. Open that one, right? Yeah, this one. This is different levels. Okay. Next one is like you want to do the server management, server configurations. Then it is a L3 level. Okay. Configuration, managing queries, managing infrastructure. Expert product and service support. So issue kind of stuff. And also I told you about a outlook, how to resolve the outlook. Not even a step by step, but still there is an issue. To understand what is an issue, based on that we have to choose what kind of troubleshooting you have to do it. If application is not working, application is not open, then we'll do application troubleshooting. Guys, remember, if application is not working, it is application related issue, not network, not other things. Okay. Application is working, but still you are unable to send and receive. Make sure that is internet is working. If your internet is working, then it is a problem with your application, or maybe it's a configuration, or maybe server side problem. Server side problems are different things. So server side, server is down, or maybe password exchanges, or some rules and regulations or configurations changed at server. So compulsory, you have to check it server side only. Okay, so these are the outlook kind of stuff. Next, I told again, I will change it to KEDB for understanding. Any errors or occur, issues is there. Search in the database, you find issue and the relevant solution. So just try that solutions. Example, Stack Overflow. When you do some programming, I do Python program, or installation, or writing is something. You got some error. We search a error in Google, we'll find information from Stack Overflow. Same way, in organization, they maintain the database, issues or errors, and how it is resolved. So depends upon your level, you will understand what is an issue you received from the customer and what is the solution for that one and why you are getting that kind of issue and what is the solution. So then we'll choose a proper solution based on the issue. We'll tell. Next one is, guys, again, I've written separately service desk level kind of stuff here. And next one is service operation, means standard operating procedures. If any work is there, like service provider is there, received a request for a new service or to get a resolve the certain issues related to the service related issues are there. Okay. So now what is the problem it is? So you want to approach the customer care, means service desk. Sorry, again, you have to follow up that one. Like I need an internet connection, or maybe my system is not working, or maybe I need to change of my services, or maybe some routine deliveries are there. So we follow a step-by-step process. Okay, So then it is whether it is a complex issue or a simple issue. It is be done in a more less complex way or less complex way. Okay, I mean it is a more we cannot say always easy, but it is a less complex than what we think. Okay, you put a lot of questions, you put a lot of things like how to solve, how to do it, and all. You plan properly, you do step by step. We can do it. Even any issues are occur, we can follow up a kind of thing. So obviously we can able to solve it. And compulsory any issue once it is resolved, document it. Okay, and a document means what is an issue, what causes these issues, what is the solution you made it, what is the solution you made it, that will be in the document. This document is, go back to this known error database, known error database. Okay, so everything is interlinked, guys. There is no 1 2 3 4 kind of stuff here. So compulsory everything is interlinked. What is a known error database? How known error database came from? This came from these documents only. Okay, so in a troubleshooting model, first of all, identify what is the issue and establish the probable cause. Why you are getting this issue? Why you are getting? Test the theory. Why you are getting these issues? Test your theory. Yes, this is why I am getting this issue. Now I am confirmed why it is an issue and how to resolve it. That is test the theory. Establish the plan and implement the solution. Yes, you have to do like this. You have to connect like this. You have to remove this one. Like a, you have to plan it and implement it. Okay. Then verify the fixes. Yes. So is a properly working? Any other issues are there? Like properly working or not? Kind of stuff. Verify the issues. Do preventive measures. Do certain things. So then you won't get any issues. This issue or another issue because of this solution, or maybe because of this issue, or maybe same issue, or maybe different issues should not be repeated. So then we do preventive measures. Document finding. So what is the issue? Why it is occur? What is the solution you made it? What are the preventive measurements you have taken? So everything should be in the document. So this is what we are discussed today, guys. Still, actually, there is a pending one is there. Of course, this is the what is service days. One more main important pending is there, that is called this definitions. Plus, guys, originally everything is completed. Only thing is your preparation is left. Okay, everything is completed. Only your preparation is left. So tomorrow, if possible, I will complete that event management, incident management, problem management kind of stuff. Tomorrow, definitely, I will. The next one is, once I completed that one, means service operation definitions. That is called a service operation definitions. Just for overall look purpose only, just 2 minutes I will tell you. Okay, what is a service operation and service operation methods? Okay, I'm not talking about ITL. ITL is completely, I will keep it aside. Later I will do it. The first one is issues troubleshooting. Guys, compulsory read all what we are discussed earlier. Go through once, go through your notes or what are the PPTs. Just go through once. You have any doubts, put it in a group. You have only 3 members. It is best dealing. Okay. If I have a 30 members, it is difficult to deal. 3 members is a very easy to deal. But you need a lot of cooperation. So you have to keep touch with me to complete this process. Complete touch means keep asking questions in the group. Don't send any personal message. Put in a group, any question, anything, kind of stuff. Okay. So troubleshooting. Okay. in the troubleshooting both hardware and operating system related and networking related troubleshooting. At about Outlook troubleshooting, already I completed. Outlook is an application. So application related troubleshooting, network related troubleshooting means other points in Outlook at all. But network related troubleshooting as per OSI and hardware and operating system. You feel anything missing points in both networking and hardware or operating system points? So I will cover this one as a another day. Then I will do revise, revision. I will try. I will try to do some parts of revision. But I shared one networking revision one. If you see the date, in that date, I have taken a revision class. If you have a doubt, you can go to that one. A lot of revised topics are there, but this is the SDB4 revision. For SDB4, I have done revision, server services kind of stuff. Okay. SDB5 revisions also there. Okay. SDB5, SDB4. Both are having some revision classes. Final days of that classes. Yeah, you can easily find. Otherwise, I will share the revisions to you. Better to go once. Okay. So it's more revision kind of stuff. Maybe an hour later, I'm not taking. If I got a chance, definitely I will do revise. Otherwise, I will share those videos or what are the revisions I have taken. Which one is best for you? You will try. Okay. And more if you're missing anything, then any revisions. So also you can try. Mostly it is good thing is there as I remember. Otherwise you can try. We'll see. Okay. So this is what is the pending point, guys. Mainly these two. That's it. Nothing more. Networking pending means private IP, NAT and PAT kind of stuff. Okay, that is also I will tell first. Okay, once you completed, this is networking pending, like a private IP and NAT/PAT technique. Otherwise, I will do it as a revision one day, a complete networking revision. Because of guys, again I'm telling, personal in interview. Prepare your personal kind of stuff. Means tell me about yourself, memorable days, tell about a college, okay, about a village, strengths, weaknesses, compulsory practice. Second one is for everything in the hardware, always it is what it is, and differences. Differences. What is this? What is that? What is the difference between hub and switch? What is the difference between switch and router? Difference between TCP, UDP. Difference between OSI and TCP IP. Okay. Difference between RAM and ROM. Difference between HTTP and HTTPS. We are all study, but same questions only we are getting. What we are studied, same questions only. The only thing is you have to prepare as per the questions and answers wise and based on this. So if you do that one, guys, you don't have to worry, just immediately they will select you. This is a point. So do not miss that point. That's it for today. Already it is 1:30. I will share this notepad also. From next any batches, I have to start with notepad. I'm become very lazy. Guys, understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So prepare communication.